Hi everyone. Do you want to speak English fluently but you feel stuck? You study grammar rules, you memorize lists of words, but when you open your mouth, nothing comes out? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, I'm going to share 3 golden secrets to help you learn English easily and, most importantly, start speaking today. Part 2. The input method, text on screen. Secret 1. Listen more, read less. Host. Most people try to learn English like a math problem. They look at books all day, but think about a baby. Does a baby read a grammar book? No. A baby listens. To speak fluently, you need to flood your brain with English. Listen to podcasts, watch YouTube videos in English, or listen to music. Pro tip, choose content that is easy for you. If you understand about 70%, it's perfect. If it's too hard, you will get bored. Part 3. Think in English. Text on screen. Secret 2. Stop translating. Host. This is the biggest mistake learners make. They think in their native language and then try to translate it into English. This makes you speak very slowly. Part 4. The mirror technique. Text on screen. Secret 3. Talk to yourself. Host. You don't need a partner to practice speaking. You have a partner in the mirror. Stand in front of a mirror and talk for 2 minutes. Talk about your hobbies, your job, or your dreams. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is flow, not perfection. Host. If you make a mistake, don't stop. Just keep going. This builds muscle memory in your mouth. Part 5. Conclusion and encouragement. Host leans in closer, looking supportive. Host. Learning English is not a race. It's a journey. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be understood. If you practice for just 15 minutes every day, I promise you will see a huge difference in 3 months. Are you sometimes shy to speak English? Or maybe you study grammar for hours but still can't speak confidently? Don't worry, and I understand. I was there too. In this video, I'll share simple and powerful tips that can help you improve your English every day and enjoy the process. So, make yourself comfortable and let's start. Before we talk about methods, let's talk about your mindset. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about communicating. Many learners feel scared to speak because they think they'll make mistakes. But guess what? Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. When you make a mistake, your brain learns something new. So don't be shy. Think of every mistake as a small step toward success. Also, say to yourself every day, I can learn English. Confidence is a skill, just like speaking, and it grows with practice. One of the easiest ways to learn English naturally is listening. Try to listen to English every single day. It doesn't matter if it's for 10 minutes or 1 hour. You can listen to English podcasts for learners, YouTube videos, movies or TV shows with English subtitles, or simple songs with clear lyrics. Listening helps your brain get used to the sounds, rhythm, and tone of English. Even if you don't understand every word, keep listening. Over time, your brain learns to recognize patterns and meanings automatically. Now let's talk about speaking, the part many learners find scary. The secret is simple. Start speaking from day one. Don't wait until your grammar is perfect. Start with short, easy sentences. For example, I am learning English. I like coffee. I want to travel. Talk to yourself in English when you wake up or go for a walk. Describe what you see around you. The sky is blue, the sun is bright. If you have a friend who speaks English, practice with them. If not, you can use language exchange apps to speak with people from other countries. The more you speak, the more your brain connects words and emotions, and that's how fluency begins. Many people stop learning English because they think it's boring. Let's change that. Make learning fun by connecting it with your favorite things. If you love movies, watch them in English. If you like music, read and understand song lyrics. If you like games, play them in English. You'll learn new words without even noticing. You can also use social media. Follow English pages, watch short videos, and read their comments. Learning becomes easier when it feels like play, not study. Fluency doesn't come in one day. It grows slowly, like a tree. You don't need to study for hours every day. What matters is consistency. Even 15 to 30 minutes a day is enough if you do it regularly. Here are some small daily habits that work. Learn 5 new words and make 3 sentences with each. Read a short article or story in English. Watch one English video and repeat what you hear. Write a short diary in English every night. These small steps may look simple, but they build strong habits. Remember, small progress every day creates big results. So, my friends, let's quickly review. Change your mindset. Don't fear mistakes. Listen to English every day. Speak from day one. Make learning fun. Learn a little every day. If you follow these 5 steps, your English will improve faster than you imagine. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and remember, fluency is not a dream. It's a result of daily practice. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you next time, and keep speaking English confidently. If you want to speak English easily, sound confident, and actually enjoy learning, then you're in the right place. I know how hard it feels when words don't come out or when grammar feels confusing, but today I'm going to share some easy, smart ways that actually work. And anyone can do them. Grab your notebook or just listen closely. Your English journey starts right now. First thing, stop saying, "My English is bad." Change that thought to, "My English is improving." Positive thinking is powerful. When your mind believes you can learn, your brain starts working harder for you. Don't worry about your accent or grammar mistakes. Remember, communication is more important than perfection. Even native speakers make mistakes, but they keep talking with confidence. So from today, speak proudly, no matter what level you are. If you want to speak English naturally, don't just study English. Live in English. Set your phone to English. Think in English when cooking, cleaning, or walking. Ask yourself questions like, "What am I doing?" or "How do I feel today?" These small habits make a big difference. When English becomes part of your daily life, fluency starts to grow naturally without pressure or fear. Here's a secret technique. Listen and repeat. Choose a short video, movie clip, or podcast in English. Listen carefully, pause, and repeat exactly what they say. Copy the sound, rhythm, and emotion. This exercise trains your mouth and ears at the same time. After 1 or 2 weeks of doing this daily, you'll sound more natural and confident, like real magic. Speaking English shouldn't feel like a test. Make it a story. When someone asks you a question in English, don't just give short answers. Try to add a little story. For example, instead of saying, "I like coffee," you can say, "I like coffee because it helps me feel awake and happy in the morning." Adding small details helps you practice longer sentences and makes your English sound interesting. Last but not least, keep your learning fun. Watch funny English videos, follow English creators on social media, or sing along with your favorite songs. When you enjoy what you do, you learn faster. Curiosity is your best teacher. Remember, English is not just a language, it's a key to new friends, new places, and new opportunities. So friends, here's your challenge. Speak a little English every day, even for 5 minutes. To your friend, to your mirror, or to your pet. Believe in yourself, have fun, and never give up. Your fluency is waiting for you. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your English learning friends. See you soon, and keep shining with your English. Every big achievement starts with a small step. Maybe today feels uncertain, maybe the path ahead looks long. But remember, no one starts at the finish line. Each time you try again, you grow stronger. Each mistake teaches you something new. Progress isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, learning, improving. So take that step. Even if it's small, even if it's shaky, take it. Because one day you'll look back and realize every step mattered. You did it. You kept going, and that's where success begins. Take a deep breath. You are not bad at English. You are learning English. Every fluent speaker you admire today was once confused, silent, and afraid. Just like you. They didn't become fluent because they were special. They became fluent because they did not give up. If you understand English but cannot speak, listen carefully. Your silence is not failure. It is preparation. Your brain is building connections. Every word you hear, every sentence you read, every mistake you make, these are steps forward. You are growing even when you feel stuck. Do not wait to be perfect before you speak. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Speak slowly. Speak incorrectly. Speak with fear. But speak. Mistakes are not embarrassing. They are proof that you are trying. Native speakers do not laugh at effort. They respect it. And if someone laughs, remember, your courage is stronger than their opinion. English is not just a language. It is a key to better jobs, global friendships, confidence, and freedom of expression. Every day, promise yourself one small step, one new word, one short sentence, 1 minute of speaking, small steps, repeated daily, create powerful change. There will be days when you feel tired, days when you want to quit. On those days, remember why you started. You are learning English to change your life.